Maybe at that time I thought maybe not 100%, but maybe I'm at fault. And he says, not maybe, because you chose to start those businesses. You chose those partners. You chose to spend your time on this. Every single decision you made on your own, right, to the best of your knowledge, but still, you chose what happened. You chose and you act on it. And from then on, I learned to take responsibility. The buck stops with me. If it's meant to be, it's up to me. And it's something that you need to think about, because lame people blame people. You can make money or you can produce results. You cannot do both. So that's habit number one. Take 100% responsibility for your own life. Habit number two, and that is you have to decide exactly what you want.